Good morning, grade 8th. How are you? So, today we will do exercise number 3 and 4, page number 82 from your reading book, lesson number 5. Okay, so you have to complete with the avoir verb expression. Okay, for that expression, you can see the page number 76, 79, 80. Okay, so all expressions are given. Okay, for example, I will do first two only. Okay, we have c'est l'art du déshon il dash. Okay, there are two blanks. One is you have to, firstly I'm telling you how you will complete this one. You have to see the pronouns like this il, this l, this no, this no, this je, this il. Okay, these all are the expression words. Okay, these are the pronouns. Okay, we have to fill with expressions words. Okay, so expressions with avoir. Okay, so firstly you should know the avoir verb. Okay, right, so we have already done, and if any child is doing first time, so you can see the backs exercises. Okay, these all verbs are given. I'm telling the name of the verb is avoir, AVOIR. Some verbs are given in back pages. Okay, so you can see this verb from back. Okay, and telling the page number 151. Okay, this avoir verb is given. Complete moving. Okay, and firstly we will see the first one. C'est l'heure du déjeuner. It's a time of lunch. Okay, so il a faim. A is there and faim. 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 Faim is hungry. Okay, so he feel hungry. Okay, it's a time of lunch, so he feel hungry. And then elle a beaucoup mangé. Okay, she eat a lot. Okay, beaucoup is for a lot and manger is to eat. Okay, so if you will eat so much, and what will the problem in come in stomach? So a mal a l'estomac. Okay, the answer is there. A mal is like pain. Okay, or not feeling well. Okay, la ESTOMAC, stomach. Okay, so this is the answer, second one. Okay, and then C part, il needs, it's snow. Needs is snow. Okay, so nous avons froid, FROID. If the snow is there, you feel cold. Okay, then okay, so definitely you will feel cold if the snow is outside. So il needs, it's snowing. Okay, nous avons froid. Okay, so we feel cold. Okay, so okay, so all the till H you have to do like this. Okay, answers already given. Okay, we have already done this one exercise. Okay, and same exercise for some words are given in passé. Okay, so il s'est couché à 10 hours. Okay, so these are the past forms. Okay, all are the past forms. These all we have to change the present form. So for this, what we will do? Okay, we have to see the verb, this one. Okay, we will change the verb, this one. Okay, not other one, only you have to see this one. Fini, vendu, vendu, partis, arete, ratio, view. Okay, so these words are the verbs. Okay, you have to change in the present form. We have already done. So like first one is, these pronouns will be same, there will be no change. These all are the pronouns. Okay, there will be no change. Okay, it will come same. Like il is there, first one il will come. Okay, this one is sa se couche is, this is past form. When we change in the present form, sa couche. Okay, sa couche. According to this pronoun we will use this one. Okay, and these are, he sleep 10 o'clock. Okay, these are. Okay, same second one, vous êtes promené dans la jardin. This is the promener is a verb. Okay, vous êtes is a adverb. Okay, we have to remove this one. Okay, then answer will come, vous promenez dans la jardin. Okay, promener dans la jardin is walk in the garden. Okay, so C part, nous avons fini le travail. Okay, so this is the fini is a verb, F-I-N-I word is given. Okay, it's conjugated with a verb, that's why avons avo will come according to the pronoun. Okay, so we will remove this one, avo fini, this is the past form, and when we change in the present form, so nous finissons, FINISONS will come. This is the conjugation of the verb. Nous finissons le travail, we finish the work. Okay, same, this one is D part, il venu de. Okay, a venue. Okay, this word is the a venue, VENU is a venir verb. Okay, so this will be il vient, VIENT will come. Okay, he comes from Nice. No, the Nice will be same, there will be no change. Okay, like this you have to do the exercise 4 and exercise 6th one is you have to see this one according to the sentence. According to this sentence you have to fill the blanks. Okay, so you have to learn this one, there is a no formula. Okay, and exercise number 7, this is the past participle. Okay, so these are the verbs names given. Okay, all are the verbs name. Okay, so we have to write the past participle of the form. So do the writing practice of this. Same question will come in MCQs forms. Okay, like for example, first one is there, comprendre will be there. Okay, like question will become change in the comprendre verb. Comprendre will be written in bracket. Okay, and then some MCQs will be there. Okay, only 2-3 parts, for example 1 2 3, then you have to choose the right answer. Okay, so it can become in a short form, short answer form. Okay, a question will be given. Okay, then answer is blank, so you have to write the answer. Like the verb past participle of the verb is on. Okay, this is a verb. B part, the past participle of this verb is on, AU. Okay, so do the practice of this. Okay, then you can do the passé forms. Okay, and do the practice all these 4 exercises. Okay, so thank you, take care everyone.